Hi, in this video, I'll be unboxing and using these JBL Vibe Flex earbuds to demonstrate how to set them up, pair and switch devices, operate them, and troubleshoot common issues. While I'm focusing on this specific model, most of these tips will apply to other JBL earbuds as well. And there are timestamps below so you can skip to wherever you want. Right, let's do a quick unboxing of this Vibe Flex earbuds. What's impressive about these earbuds is their long-lasting battery life in a single listening session. They last much longer than Apple AirPods. Well, at least Gen 2 and Gen 3 AirPods. Also in this video, I'll be messing with their Equalizer, JBL Equalizer in their app. They use this Bluetooth V5.2. Very nice cable, but I won't be using their USB-C cable. I have my own and something more, as you will see. I will show you the pages that I'll be using in this manual, but let's get right to the earbuds. The shape of this case reminds me of a facial soap with a USB-C port. Today, most gadgets should come with a USB-C port. It's a magnetic attachment system that securely holds the buds in place within their charging case, preventing them from accidentally falling out. You would want to remove the stickers from each of the earbuds. Clearly label right and left. You could see the similarity to their AirPods, as long as they're comfortable, right? Blue flashing light means it's waiting to be paired. More on that later. One more plastic removal. The cable is really nice, USB-C to USB-A. However, it's a bit short. What's up with that? About charging, when you put the buds in the case for 10 minutes and then remove them, you get 2 hours of listening time. Also, the case with the buds in will be fully charged in 2 hours. Now, I'll be using this magnetic adapter system. The head part will go into the port. And the USB-C cable can be plugged into the body, like so. And you can conveniently plug and unplug it. However, I won't be using their cable. I will just use my own. Now on the case, the LED light goes from red to orange to green. Green means almost full. Once fully charged, it would go off. For the buds themselves, flashing white means charging. Solid white means fully charged. To see the LED light on the buds, you have to pull them out and put them back in. Solid white, fully charged. For solid and flashing blue, I'll talk about that. Now that everything is fully charged, let's test them on my iPad and my Android tablet. Let's go with my iPad first. To pair or connect them, pull them out of the case and go to Settings, and you'll see JBL Vibe Flex. Settings, go to Bluetooth, and there you go, JBL Vibe Flex. Just select that, and they are connected. Left earbud, right earbud. Let's talk about controls. 1 dot means 1 tap, 2 dots means 2 taps on the JBL logo. Raise the volume with 1 tap, lower the volume with 2 taps on the left bud. For the right bud, 1 tap means play or pause. 2 taps means skip to the next song. 3 taps means go back to the previous song. Again on the right bud. Alright, let's try on the left bud. Have a look at the volume bar. Right now it's in the middle. Doing a double tap means lower the volume. Double tap again. I attempted 2, but I got 1. 2 taps. 2 again. And again. Now 1 tap. 1, 1, 1, 1. There you go. One more. 2. 2 again. Alright, let's skip songs using the right earbud. Two taps to skip to the next song. 2 taps. 2 taps. 2 taps. Going back, 3 taps. 3 taps. 3 taps. Didn't get that one. Alright then, 2 taps going ahead. 2 taps. Now I'm going to attempt to go back to where I started. Sometimes it might not register, but most often it will. Here I am, back to the beginning. Alright, let's try to connect them to an Android tablet. In connected devices, select pair new device. And once again, take the buds out. I'm doing this on purpose. What's happening here is that they are now connected on my iPad that I just tested. This. What you have to do to connect to a new device is to do a 1 tap and press and hold. Have a look. 1 tap and 1 and hold. It would take a bit to disconnect from the previous device and then establish a new connection on the new device. There. Just select connect. For an Android device, you'll have the option to download their app at the same time. Let's do that now. And install. This is their app, JBL headphones. While I'm here, I like to mess around with their Equalizer feature in the app. It's funny that I have to bring them near for it to detect that they are in white, but that's pretty cool though. Alright, I have to go through a few steps to complete the setup. Ambient sound control, I won't be talking about that. Voice aware, not that either. And gestures, I've gone through a couple, but there are more that I will show you. Here's the equalizer that I want to mess with. Right now it's on jazz. You could mess around with that if you know what you're doing. And then you can save or reset. Let's see what else. You can do vocal. You can do bass. Or extreme bass. You could also create your own if you know what you're doing. And it should automatically transfer to the earbuds, by the way. Right now, I'm going to leave it in extreme bass and have a listen. Actually, I'm going to revert to or try vocal first. This is to make sure that I can tell the difference. By the way, they're in my ears right now. Vocal, and I'll have a listen. Right now, I could hear that the music sounds pretty tame. Right now, Pandora is running in the background. Let me try bass and have a listen. I can hear the difference right now. It's definitely bassier than before. Now, how would you switch back to the previous device? But let's just try it forwardly. Just go ahead and select or connect the device. From here on, it's going to be in real time. Have a look. Let me put them back in to reinitiate. As you can see, it is now disconnected from the Android tablet. Let me take them out and it should pair or connect to the Android first. Yep, as expected. Let me go ahead and switch. On my iPad, I'll just select JBL Vibe Flex. And you'll see that it will not do it. There, connection unsuccessful. Let me repeat that one more to be convinced. Again, connection unsuccessful. The right way to do it is to disconnect the other device first. And then try to connect the device that you want to. There you go. They are now connected. Right now, I'm testing whether the bass is carried over to the iPad. And yes, it's carried over. That is pretty cool. Putting them back in, it should be not connected. Yep. Now, what about if I want to switch back? First, if I take them out, it would be connected on the iPad again. There, but it took a while. Now I want to connect back to the tablet. You would have to disconnect the other one first. But what if I don't and try straight out to connect them? Again, this is in real time, no editing. They just won't connect. With Apple AirPods, from my experience, when I want to connect to one device and then another, I just have to go into the Bluetooth settings and select connect. They automatically connect to that device without having to go and disconnect from the previous one. And there you can see that the tablet gave up. So you would have to disconnect first and then select JBL Vibe Flex. And there, boom, connected. It's a bit of a hassle, but you just have to remember the routine. To me, it's not really that bad. You just have to get used to it. Alright, let's do a design or size comparison. We got AirPods Gen 2, JBL Vibe Flex, and AirPods Gen 3. Have a close-up look. AirPod Gen 2 and JBL Vibe Flex earbud. Oh, flashing blue LED means it's trying to connect or pair to a device. And a solid blue means it's connected. How about JBL Vibe Flex and AirPod Gen 3? If you experience earbuds Bluetooth connection loss or intermittent cutting in and out of audio, or they suddenly stop playing audio. In my case, I switch devices often and mess with the equalizer feature to test the audio on a PC and a Mac and switch back to, say, my iPad. I would get audio distortion, audio cutting in and out while they're connected. What you can try first is to put them back in the case for a few seconds and then take them out to listen. Or as a last resort, you could factory reset them. Let me show you how to do that. What you can do is tap 3 times and the last tap you hold it. Take a look. Take them out of the case and you can choose to use either one to factory reset. I'll use the left one based on the illustration. Tap, 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 hold. You should then hear power off and the light flashing. Then you can put both of them back into the case and that would be it. And then you can try to see if they work again. Anyway, that's all I have. I hope you find this useful. And thank you for watching. Do come back for the next video.